So these are the newest Capybara Evolution codes on Roblox. I have 6 codes for you, and these are the newest and most OP codes that you can use. So let's go to shop, and then as you can see, the code section is right here. Simply tap on enter code, and the first code that we're gonna do is I, 2, and then perfect. Type that in and tap on verify, and as you can see, we got 1 EXP potion. This can be very helpful if we want to level up faster. Next is release. Type that in, tap on verify, and now we got a win potion. The third one we have is new UPD and then 1. This is new update 1. So tap on verify, and we got another EXP potion. And this next one is actually really good. Type in Cappy and then happy, and then type in 1587. Tap on verify, and here we get 2 EXP potions instead of the normal one. Next, Cappy code 289. Type that in and tap on verify, and we got another EXP potion. And then the last one, which is also a really good one, type in B RRRRA. So that's 4 R's and then an A at the end. Tap on verify, and we got 2 EXP potions that we can use immediately. So how do you use these? Simply tap on inventory and then tap on items. And now let's use an EXP potion. And as you can see, if we attack this real quick, we're going to get double the XP instead of just, for example, you get 3 or 2.5 from a single apple, you will be getting 5. And if you get 500 from an enemy, you'll be getting 1,000. So it's 2 times the XP, and it's a really good potion. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.